good things come in small packages, and she's one of the best actresses we have in the industry today. I'm here with the beautiful Alia Bhatt. Hi Alia, welcome to Bollywood Live.
Thank you.
So you have been making daringly different film choices. Like since the start, you have consistently been very good at making wise choices. Udta Punjab is no less. Your character has already left a deep impact, and it's got everyone talking. So what was the initial reaction like?
To the trailer? I think
To your character, your look, the trailer.
I think the initial reaction was like as expected, a little bit of shock, surprise, intrigue, because of the kind of transformation physically that is. But I think the major reaction is yet to come, because I feel like, based on a trailer, you really can't judge a person's performance. I think when you see the whole film is when you can get a full sense.
Correct. But obviously, when we watched the trailer, they were like, you received a lot of flack for your portrayal of Bihari girl. Like there were open letters written all over. So obviously, we know you have put in a lot of effort to get that role right. So was it disheartening?
Not really, because there was a lot of love and appreciation also, and there will be some criticism. That's not possible for you to walk free and completely without any criticism. My only concern with regards to that was I feel based on the trailer, you can't really make a judgment about how the film will be. So I just found a logical error in that, because you can't say that you're stereotyping Biharis in a film and after having not watched the film.
Yeah, just on the basis of like 2 minutes.
Yeah, so I found a logical error in that, but any kind of criticism is welcome. I don't have any issues with that.
So what's your mantra to deal with trolls and criticism?
Nothing. If I read it, I read it, and if I find it relevant, I take it. If I don't, I don't.
Great.
Yeah.
So how would you describe your character Pinky in 5 words?
Firstly, her name is not Pinky.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's a rumor, which is, I don't know, created by who. I think I should have corrected it, maybe.
Okay, so what's it then? Just tell us.
There's no revelation of the name right now.
Oh, you can't. Okay, describe your character in 5 words.
She is, 5 words. I think she's definitely, for me, very inspirational. She's a fighter. She's a victim. She's very sensitive, and she is just
a rebel.
Huh?
She's like a rebel. Like
she's a victim of an unfortunate situation.
Yeah. So now obviously the film stars an ensemble of Shahid, Kareena and Diljit. But since the start of the first leg of Udta Punjab promotions, Shahid and Kareena have become a talking point because they've come after a really long time. So did you feel any heat while you were standing in between the two during the trailer launch? Like, was there an awkwardness?
Not really. I think both of them have reached very happy places in their lives, and there's no animosity or awkwardness there. And we're all working in a professional medium, in an entertainment field, where things are out in the public eye, so people will talk about it. But that doesn't mean that it affects our lives in any ways. And I was standing right there, and I think all of us were there to support the trailer, and support the film, and support the cause of Udta Punjab.
Great. But again, Udta Punjab has got about 40 cuts by the censor board.
See, there's no clarification as to how many cuts it's gotten. Okay. This is again just an assumption, a talk point. Okay. According to me, and I'm closely involved with the film, I have not been told about how many cuts it's got. So there's no clarification on that point. The process is still on, and hopefully there will be no cuts.
Okay. But obviously you'll be disappointed if there are, right? Like we came across a couple of songs and the lyrics have been tweaked a little.
I will be disappointed if any cut is messing with the content of the film.
Okay, so moving on, like you are one of the busiest actresses right now, and you have already have like so many films lined up, and unlike Deepika, Katrina, you have like a list of films coming up, Aashiqui 3, Badrinath Ki Dulhania, and a couple of them. So how do you feel right now?
Aashiqui 3 I will not speak about right now, because that's still in scripting mode.
Okay.
So I have not given any confirmation on that. And I think everybody has a phase where they have a lot of films at some point, and then they kind of space it out. Because I've just started out. I'm taking on every film that I'm getting, as in not because I can, because I want to.
But you're picking making the right choice.
I'm finding interesting parts. Yeah. Exactly. So I'm obviously going to be fully charged right now, working as much as I can. Maybe in a couple of years when I can make fewer decisions, I will. But right now I feel like I need to go all out.
So how does stardom treat you? Like the success, like you're at the top right now.
I don't really think I'm at the top. Firstly, I think I have a long way to go.
That's being modest.
Maybe I'm just being a little realistic.
Like in 4 years, you've come, like you've already reached that.
There's definitely been progress, but I feel like the progress is ongoing. It doesn't stop at any point. So I feel like I have to keep going, and I'm quite young, very young right now. So I feel like I have a lot of time ahead of me to kind of make a stronger mark.
Obviously, we want Alia to be in this industry for like, you know.
Yay!
Okay, and we also get to read a lot of stuff, like you're in talks with Zoya Akhtar for a film with Ranveer Singh. Farah Khan is trying to approach you. Is there any truth to this?
I don't talk about things that are not really, that are just kind of floating around information. Whatever is concrete and confirmed, I speak about.
Okay. And your film with Gauri Shinde, Shah Rukh Khan, has the title been finalized?
Yes.
What is it?
That you'll find out.
Oh, some hint, yeah. Exclusively on Bollywood Live.
No. I don't want to spoil it.
Like already people are talking about it, so.
I don't want to spoil it. I want to save up the mystery.
Why? If you get the title, like a lot will be revealed. Like,
No.
Some hint, no?
No.
Like the
It's not up to me. It's not up to me, Gauri, and everybody will be very upset if I give away the title without
Not
their
even a clue if
permission.
they guess.
I can't. I can give you a clue, but you won't guess it, so it's fine. It's a difficult title to guess.
Okay, no problem. And Shahid and Meera are expecting like the first child. So on Twitter there are a lot of name suggestions coming in. So what would you give?
Oh my
if
god!
at all,
I don't
given
think
a chance?
I don't think anybody should.
No, just like for fun, if you
Should
give suggestions,
suggest.
then maybe they consider. Even
Listen.
Shahid in his Twitter chat, he said, "Ki please bring in the suggestions. I'm really confused." So he's.
I'll have to think, and I don't know. I'll have to chat with Meera because she's the mommy, so I'll have to ask her what she's thinking about.
So what would you? No, suggestion for them.
Not really. I can't think of any name.
Like
on top
obviously,
of
I can't ask you for your baby, so
Yeah.
gently, like.
It's a tough one. I don't know. I can't just name a random name. I don't know. Let's see.
Okay, cool. And lastly, rumors of you dating Siddharth Malhotra, true or false?
Rumors are rumors. How can they be
You
true?
dating Siddharth is true or
No,
false?
you can't change your question. Rumors can't be
Correction.
true. Sid is a very, very good friend of mine. He'll always be.
Okay, great. That was nice talking to you. So